today how to compress a video so that it is a much smaller file. It just makes it a lot easier to work with when you record long videos. So I have this file right here, say posting a YouTube video on YouTube, or posting a video on YouTube.mov. It's 198.9 megabytes. It was like 4 minutes long or something. Now that's not a huge file, but if you get to videos that are 10 minutes long, 12 minutes long, they might be over a gigabyte, and that's just huge. And YouTube might not even let you post that video. So there's a really easy way to fix that. On your computer, you have self-service, and you can install an app that's called Handbrake. So if you just search for Handbrake, see, install Handbrake. I already installed mine, so I don't need to install it, but that's how you would install it. Once it's installed, if you go to Launchpad, see, there's Handbrake, and if I open Handbrake, it looks rather complicated, but it's not. It's a free program, so it looks complicated like that. So this file, I've got to go find it, and where I saved it, and that's why it is, where is it? Nope. It's called posting with a P. Here it is. Posting a video onto YouTube. See? So then I click open. That doesn't start the process. It just previews it. There's my video. Right here, this part where it says presets, that's what I have to look at. I'm just going to click on there, and I'm going to change this to, I mean, fast would probably be pretty small. I'm going to go even one step further and go to this first very fast one. Or try one of these. There's lots of different options, right? But the fast or very fast are what you want. So I'll try, let me go very drastic, and I'll do this very fast one. Then down here I have to browse for where I want the video. Right now it's going into a movies folder. I'm going to change it to my desktop. That's enough. There, it's going to call it posting a video on YouTube.mp4, and it's going to put it on my desktop. Notice the original over here was a .mov. Those are bigger files. MP4 are just smaller files. All I need to do then is go up here and the big green start button. Once I start it, see, it's going through the video. You'll look down here on my dock and see it shows you what percent is done, and this shows you that it's like counting down through the video. It's going through the video and it's compressing it. Once it's done, it'll say done encoding, and then it will be on my desktop. Now I'll show you, I'm going to just show you right here. I have this one I did earlier on the same way. And if I look at that one now, I go to desktop. See, I called that one just small here. That's only 14.4 megabytes. So I went from 200 megabytes down to 14.4 megabytes. The video quality is not bad when you do that. It just is getting a lot more compressed, which on YouTube doesn't matter at all. If you were going to project this in an arena, you wouldn't want to do this. But on YouTube video, the quality does not need to be super good. So right here you can see it's still running through. It's about 33% done, but I'm not even going to sit here and show you the finish. You can see that once it's finished, it will come up here, and it's just a lot smaller, 14.4 instead of 200 megabytes. Now, when I go to YouTube, I want to upload this version, this smaller version, and that version will take about a minute to upload onto YouTube instead of 10 minutes. And if you had a video that was a gigabyte and it went down to 100 megabytes, from 1 gigabyte down to 100 megabytes, again, that would just speed everything up once you upload it. So that's how you compress a video using Handbrake.